watching DIYNate. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments.
Alright folks, on this quick episode of DIYNate, some of us have high vaulted ceilings, and sometimes our children end up with treats or prizes from their birthday parties that they shoot up on the ceiling and you can never get them off. These have been there at least 2+ years. It's finally time to take care of them. And so today we're going to use a pole saw to get it off the roof, we're hoping. We also have another one over there in that corner, some kind of squiggly thing. It's a what?
A sticky arm.
A sticky arm. So the pole saw actually surprisingly will go up pretty far. And in this case, I didn't think it was going to be tall enough, but once I realized how high I can actually lift it, I'm actually in pretty good shape to hopefully knock this off without creating a problem on my roof there. If I need to get on a chair, I may, but right now I'm trying not to scuff the ceiling anymore. Not. So we're just going to try and mess with it until we can get it up. Come on down, big guy. You've been up there way too long. Take advantage of the stairs and see if I can get it from a little bit more of an angle here. Well, we're flying onto another place that's really hard to get. We're right there on him. Man, he's holding good though, isn't he? Up there, robot duck. I think I might have to go from a little bit of a side angle. It's more work than you'd think, but yay! Yeah. Right, so that's one.
I'll get it.
All right, make sure they go in the trash, folks. For those of you who are playing with your things, please don't let your children continue to play these things. Regret it. Pole saw did the trick, and now for the next piece. Good grief. All right.
I feel like there's a better tool you could use for something.
I think it's like on there.
And on it, you use a stool and actually like.
You know where a stool is? I don't know that I can, I might be able to get that. So now, using a step stool in hopes we can remove this guy without falling over the edge. There we go.
We got him! It's the end!
You've been watching DIYNate in
It's the end.
children extract, children sticky
Ruin
things.
everything.
In another episode of Children Destroy Everything.